Lesson 1, Noun, Gender, and Plurals. Welcome to MATSEC IM Arabic Fundamentals. Arabic has only two grammatical genders, masculine and feminine. There is no neuter. The word kitab, meaning book, is a classic masculine noun. Often you can spot a feminine singular noun by the ta-marbuta ending, like in the word taliba for a female student. However, some nouns are feminine by natural meaning, such as meaning mother, even without the ta-marbuta. Adjectives must agree with their nouns. If you want to say big, you use kabir for a masculine noun, but add a ta-marbuta to make it kabira for a feminine noun. Number is also crucial. Besides singular and dual, which ends in ani for nominative like kitabani, Arabic has sound and broken plurals. Sound masculine plurals in the nominative add una, like mu'allimuna for teachers, while sound feminine plurals use at, like talibat. Many nouns use broken plurals, which change the internal pattern of the word rather than adding a fixed ending. For example, makatib is the broken plural for mektab, or office, and rijal is the broken plural for man. A very important rule for the intermediate Arabic exam involves non-human plurals. In standard Arabic, broken plurals of non-human nouns usually take feminine singular agreement. That is why for new pens, you say aklam jadida, using the feminine singular adjective for a broken plural of a masculine non-human noun.